Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's continue our discussion of the euro currency, and the situation here is rather interesting. Where you can see market has hit the minimum target of the double repo sell pattern. We said that the 50% support is the minimum target that market should reach by the double repo sell. It looks as very close to the current price action, mostly due to this splash up. So it looks like that this is 3.8 retracement just on the surface, but in fact that is the 50% support in market yesterday has hit it. So we could say that the minor target of the minimum target of the double repo sell pattern has been completed. Although this doesn't mean that market can't proceed lower to some lower extension, lower support area, but that is the moment where we have to think what to do with our position that we have currently, how to manage it, and how to trade the falling price action properly. Well, in fact, many of you guys asking me on the forum that could we expect currently the reversal to the upside, maybe market has reached the retracement target, maybe we could expect now the trend to the upside to the 132.50 area and so on. But I have the feeling that it's not done yet with the downward move, mostly due to the way how market has reached this target. So if you will take a look at the 4-hour time frame, we see that in fact this move was by the single candle to the downside. That is significant support area. So market has tested confidence support 3 times. First test, second, and the breakout on the third test, retesting this area from the low. And take a look, that is also weekly pivot support 1 and 127 extension of the butterfly. On the lower time frame, you'll see that this is also the ABCD target of that pattern, inner pattern of the butterfly, A, B, C top, D pattern. But take a look how market has reached it, just by the single move within the some hours right to the target. Very often when market shows such a fast move, it usually leads to the continuation of the after the natural respect of this support area. But usually this strong momentum leads to continuation. At least it's not recommended to take the long position if you see such strong move to the downside when that butterfly hits its target just by the single candle. The long candle is the sign of the significant momentum, and very often, as a rule, odds stand on the favor of continuation. That's why I think that it's not done yet with the downward action. And you can see that this level is the next level to watch for if market will fall to the downside. That is our major target of the retracement, 129.20 area. That is agreement with this ABCD target and FIB support that makes the agreement. That is also could be treated as the target of the head and shoulders pattern. Okay, and take a look. That is the 618 extension of the reversal pattern of the butterfly sell. Butterfly buy. That pattern is even more significant for us because recall that we in general expect move to the 132.50 area due to analysis of the weekly time frame. That's why appearing of the reversal pattern here is significant because it could trigger the move to the upside. So my thought is that we could still count on this move to the downside. But one thing is my thought, but quite another thing is what to do with the short position. On the hourly time frame, what do we see? The same butterfly, that is ABCD. You can see by the red lines that I have marked to you. Here you could appear another butterfly, smaller side. Although it has target, it's 1618 target slightly higher than this larger butterfly, but it could be the trigger moment to the continuation. That, by the way, you can see that in fact market has hit the target with 1 hour It's very fast. And in general, I would like to remind you what we have said in our Forex military school when we have discussed how to trade the harmonic patterns. And if you follow the framework of the trading of the harmonic patterns, you probably would not. The questions as what to do with our short position, how to manage it, hardly will appear again. Well, in general, the logical approach to the trading of the harmonic patterns looks as follows. So when you hit the target, you don't know, for instance, will market continue move lower or not. Take the half of the profit. Move at the rest of your position, move the stop loss on the rest of your position to the break even, and just watch the movie. If you will be wrong, market will start move to the upside, the half of the profit will be in your pocket. But if you will be right, you will get from the half of the position this profit, and from the rest of one that profit. That will be the 2/3 of the overall profit that you could get from the trading of the harmonic patterns. That's the way how professionals trade the harmonic patterns. And that is what we should do here. So if you have entered here with the 50% resistance of the head, as we said, take the half of the profit at 127 extension and rest and leave the rest to reach this area, 129.20 area. If you have entered with the breakout to the downside, well, it's a bit more difficult since your profit now is quite shallow. You could, for instance, either tighten your stop or move it to the break even, so if market will accelerate further, at least you will lose nothing. That's what you could do currently with your position. Because the trading is not the guessing of the correct move, the current direction. That's the half of the trading, only the half task. The rest of the half, or even greater half of the task, is to take the profit from every trade. It will be very unwelcome final of your trade if you will be right with the direction but take no profit from the trade. That's not the target that you should follow. That's why, as I said, think about how to manage this position. I have just talked to you what I usually do with the positions and what professionals usually do with it when they trade the harmonic patterns or other setups on the market. They take the profit at the first minor target, minimum target. So the minimum target of the butterfly is 127. So that's an area where to take the half of the profit. And what to do with the second half of your position, that's you could do anything what you want. To rest it, leave the rest to the reaching of the extended target, or take the profit totally. That's some sort of the pleasant problem when you think what to do with the profit. So, as that's been said, as the small conclusion, that I still think that market is not done with the downward action. Although here is the moment where we should think about taking some profit from our position. So, and make your own analysis. Think if you think that market probably will turn to the upside right here, then take the old profit from your position. If not, then you could follow my advice and keep the second part of your position with the hope that market still will reach an area around 129.20. Well, but personally, mostly due to the momentum, here you can see fast acceleration now by the just single candle market has hit 127 extension. I still think that market could continue lower and still reach 129.20 area.